are we going to get into today? Well, today I thought, I've seen this online and I just thought I had to try it because it looks so neat. It produces some fantastic looking spirits in the neatest colors you ever seen. And what are we going to use? We're going to use Skittles. Alright, so we're going to make some Skittles Moonshine. Alright, I just thought this would be a lot of fun to do. And I'm only making small amounts. I think it ends up to be 1/4 shine. Okay? So, let's get on to this and see what we'll do. But first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Let's let the fun begin. Okay, so what do we got to do first? Okay, well, we got to try to separate some of these Skittles, not all of them, some of these Skittles into the different colors. Okay? Alright, so there is 5 different colors of Skittles. So all we got to do is try to separate them. I guess that's more half the fun, right? Yeah, right. It's kind of like them dang caramels for the caramel. That was a pain in the butt. Alright, so let's just get some of these Skittles things out, colors out. Alright, so we got some red ones. Like I said, there's 5 different colors. And one. I think it'll be easier to pour them bad boys out. Okay? Alright. Quite sure how many Skittles it's going to take to do what we want to do. Yeah, that's a little bit easier. Ah, one got away. I do like Skittles. What I want to do is I want to, each one of them bottles, I need to fill it up 1/5 of the size of the bottle, what I've read. So I'm assuming it's probably going to be about half of one of these glasses. Okay, so let me get this done. I think it's going to be nice and colorful sitting on the bar counter. Look, got one in here that's yellow. Ah! All right, let me get these done. Okay, we got about a half a glass separated of them Skittles. Now the next challenge is, I don't know if they'll go down a funnel. Let me try it. No, that ain't gonna work. I'll try it like this. So what I want is about 1/5 of a bottle, and it depends on how strong you want your Skittles shine. Right? I like it to be a little bit strong. Oop. And this little bottle, I'm gonna go a little more. I want strong. All right. There's one. That's the orange one. Now here goes some green ones. There's some green ones. Ain't this so much fun? I hope it's good. I'm sure it will be. I mean, I love Skittles. 2 more. They ought to be some magnificent colors. Ah! One got away. One more. I mean, what I seen online when the guy that did this, they were some amazing colors of that shine. That intrigued me to want to try it. And I mean, I guess you gotta like Skittles, right? Is that all about equal? A couple more orange ones maybe. Okay. There's our Skittles in there. Now, it is so easy. What we're going to do is I got some 100 proof shine here. Is the next thing we got to do is we got to put some shine in the get them Skittles to start to dissolve. Alright. I'll put a little bit more in these. Finish up this quart. Okay. I mean, I starting to see the color off already. Put a little on these. I'm not quite sure how long it's going to take to for them to melt, to dissolve in that shine. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is just give them a stir every once in a while. Look at that. Alright. We're on our way to making Skittles shine. This ought to be very interesting. You put them up on your bar. I'm thinking just drinking like a shot. I think it's going to be fantastic. So I'm really looking forward to see how this is going to turn out. So we'll be back in a few days to finish this up, and then we'll have another happy Moonshine Wednesday, right? Okay. Okay, so we'll see a few days. I think that's all it's going to take is a few days. Alright, so we'll see you then. Hey, welcome back. It's been about, I don't think, it's been 3 days. Okay, and you can see that everything is dissolved. But there's one weird thing going, and I think what it is you see that layer on top? I think that is wax from the candy. They probably put some type of a wax on there, probably to keep it from sticking together, I would assume. Alright, so what's the next step? Well, the next step is we need to strain it out a little bit, clean it up. Alright, so what I got here is just a quart jar with a coffee filter in it, and a little screener to try to get some of those big hunks first, because it's probably going to take a little while to for it to go through that coffee filter, I would assume. Maybe not. And I'm not really. I don't think I really need to strain it. Really not that, ain't catching that much. So we just need to let this strain out. Great looking color though, isn't it? It's gonna be. Hey, I'll be honest with you, I taste it. It tastes fantastic, but we'll. This has been a fun project. I think they'll look. These bottles will look cool sitting on the bar. It smells like the candy. Whoops, this one's coming apart. I gotta fix my coffee filter a little bit. There we go. I've already got friends wanting to try this out. Okay, so let me get this strained out and then we'll be back. Straining that out was a pain in the ass. What I would suggest is maybe fill the coffee, what you got on the bottle with the coffee filter one time, let it drain out and then change the filter. Because it was challenging. Okay, so I washed my bottles back up, they're nice and clean. So what we want to do is we want to put our strained I should have done light color first. So now we're going to put in, I did the red ones together. Strain that. Now I'll flush this out a little bit. All right. Looks pretty neat though. Alright, almost got it. Okay, now what we want to do now is, I just got me some shine, and I'm going to top each one of these bottles off. Okay, we're almost got it. Alright, last one. Okay. Put a lid on them before I knock them over. Okay. Gotta try one, right? What color should I try? Let's try the green. Okay, I mean they're pretty colored. Smells like lime and shine. Damn. It's a very light lime taste. Got the great taste of the shine in it. I'm telling you what, over a little ice, that'd be fantastic. Or I bet you there's some great cocktails that you can make with that very colorful Skittles shine. Would I make this again? 100%. Was it troublesome trying to filter it out? Yes, it was. I tried the mesh screen first. It didn't seem to catch much. So, do the best you can. It cleaned up really nice. Alright. So, well, I guess the last thing I say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing Moonshine Wednesday. Awesome.